Are you learning SQL and want SQL Server on your own machine? The good news is you don't have to have a server and it's completely free. If you search for SQL Server downloads, you can download the Express edition, which is a cut down version of SQL Server, or the Developer edition, which has all of the features of its expensive enterprise cousin but can only be used in a non-production environment. This will install the backend of SQL Server. For the front end, you should download SQL Server Management Studio, SSMS. And finally, if you want to use SSRS, SSIS or SSAS, then you should also download the Visual Studio Community Edition. All of these can be downloaded onto your desktop or laptop and all are completely free. Links to installation videos can be found in the description to this video. I'm Philip Burton of idodata.com. Thank you very much for watching this and keep learning.